I just picked up my Walmart pickup order. I got this from my daughter, this bowling game and glove bubbles. Like put them on and like wave it around to make the bubbles. I've been getting her random things so that she can have fun at home. I got blueberry lemonade, which what I ordered was strawberry lemonade, but it was substituted, which I got some Stoke cold brew just to try it. This is brand new to me, and this natural creamer is new to me too, so I hope I like them. I got some Sara Lee pound cake, 2 of them. Who eats this? I feel like not a lot of people eat this, and this is so good. I got some Orgain vanilla protein shakes. I have their protein powder, so I wanted to give their protein shakes a try. Some asparagus, some Jiffy corn mix because I want to make corn casserole again. Pastelillos, sour cream, cream cheese, condensed milk, no salt added corn, cream style corn, albacore tuna pasta sauce, evaporated milk. I've been liking to have all of these like basics in the house so that I could just make whatever I want. Since I'm home all the time now. Cream style corn, imitation vanilla extract. I got this for the first time. It doesn't have antibiotics or any fake ingredients. So we'll see. This brand is supposed to be really good. Applegate. I got beans, Nathan's hot dogs, hot dog buns. This is new to me. I've never ordered it, but my aunt told me it was good, so I'm gonna give it a try. Like the fish fillets, peach snapple, milk, fries, butter, Ziploc bags, chocolate chips. I got 2 pizzas, and then I got my daughter the Annie's mac and cheese. And I also like to buy her random jars of baby food from time to time. Some dial soap. I got Maduros, fresh ones for a change. They were supposed to be like green, but whatever. This was a substitution for orange vanilla Coke, which is fine. Donuts, jalapeno chips, Velveeta, because I'm going to make mac and cheese. I have a recipe for it. I'll link the video in the description box. This substitution worked out in our favor. I ordered the one with 16 burgers, and it was out, so they gave us the one for 32 for the same price. Then I got some ham and some salami for Natural Choice Hormel. And that's the overview of everything that I got. Wegmans and Aldi is next. I got my daughter a bunch of these pouches from it. I know it as Happy Baby, but I guess they also call it Happy Tot according to the stage of food. I love this. She already ate one of these, and she had one of these bars. She liked them. But I love this because I get to give her ingredients that I don't buy. I got her some animal crackers. I also got her this from Happy Tot. It's like a mac and cheese, a veggie mac and cheese. And she took one bite and she did not like it at all. I got kettle cooked jalapeno chips. Out of all the brands I've tried, the Wegmans ones are the spiciest. I got these wraps. I have been seeing them a lot in grocery hauls. The Olay Extreme Wellness wraps. So they're high in fiber, so then it brings the carb count down. So hopefully they taste good. And I got some pastas. I got some organic spaghetti. I would like to start buying more organic things from time to time. We'll see. And then I also got this chickpea pasta. So it's made only from chickpeas. Like it is the only ingredient, and I've had this before from Aldi, and it wasn't bad, and it's about half the carbs of regular pasta. So I want to see if I can get into eating this more. Also got some lasagna and elbow noodles. This brand is new to me. I've been wanting to try it. Primal Kitchen. They make really like clean products. They make dressings. They have a ketchup. They don't add sugar. They use clean oils. So I'm excited to try that. I got some coconut milk, some grape Zevia. This is a soda that's sweetened with stevia, so 0 sugar, 0 calories. I haven't tried the grape, but I've tried the cola, the cream, and the lemon lime, and so far the cola has been my favorite. I've never bought this before, tapioca flour, but I want to make pan de bono. It's a Colombian bread, and it's made with this, so I'm excited to try that. I also bought white cornmeal to try and make Salvadorian pupusas. I'm just bored. I'm going on like 7 weeks at home and I need stuff to do. John requested, you know, these little packets to put in water bottles. So he said it was okay. I got some Roar. I love these. I've shown you guys these before when I got them at Sam's Club. It's like a better alternative to Gatorade. It has some electrolytes in there and only 2 grams of sugar per the whole thing and only 20 calories. I got some Simply Apple, some Simply Strawberry Lemonade. If you see this, buy it because it's a seasonal product and it's so good. And then just some Shout and some Drano. I like going to Wegmans because they have like super cool like products and a lot of organic stuff. So it's just kind of what you do when you go to Wegmans. I haven't been to an Aldi in 2 months and I think it shows because I went produce crazy. So, quick note, Wegmans and Aldi were all sanitizing the carts as soon as you give them to them. So, kudos to them. I got frozen green beans and broccoli. I got all of this fruit, avocados. I just love fruit. Watermelon. It's a huge watermelon. But, yeah, I have to tackle that thing. Apples, romaine lettuce. I got peeled garlic, asparagus, green onions. These yogurts, John really likes them. They're high in protein and 0 artificial sweeteners. I personally don't care for them. I wish I did. I got corn. I got Aldi's version of Rotel because I have Velveeta cheese. So I'm going to melt it with this and eat it with these chips. I got mini sweet peppers, spinach, kale, tortillas, burger buns. I got raisins. I got this Icelandic style yogurt. I've never tried it. Hopefully, tastes good. I got salsa for the chips. I got peanuts. I got corn chips and then the white tortilla chips. I don't know about you, but as soon as I get home from the supermarket, I'm starving. So I just dig in. Then I got eggs. The limit was 2. I got cheese. And then I got these ice cream sandwich cookies. They're seasonal. I saw them last year and I didn't get them. So, and then this is also new. I'm excited. I'm going to make this today. Apple filled churros. I got plastic wrap. These nacho cheese flavored Aldi version of Doritos. I got 2 5-pound bags of flour because last month I went through 1 bag in 3 weeks. That's how much I'm baking. These go around on Instagram a lot too. These grain-free cookie bites. So I got the chocolate chip kind. They also have a caramel version. There was very little meat. Like there was no chicken whatsoever. It was like even closed off. So I just grabbed a pack of tilapia and these raw meatballs because I do have some meat from Sam's Club. So I just picked that up. And the only thing I didn't get was milk because I went last week and picked up just milk at the supermarket. So this is everything. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.